Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this session. Uh, I have kept you on mute because otherwise there will be a lot of background noise. If you get any questions, you can just type in the chat and I'll be able to respond to you. I hope I am audible to all of you. Okay, good morning, everyone. So, in this session, what I will do is that I will quickly cover a few important pointers which are very important for you to know in quick time, and then after that I will take your questions. So let me first cover what I want to cover in 15-20 minutes, and then after that I'll be taking your question. So we will not wait anymore because we have less time and it's already we are on time. So we will start, and anybody who comes in between, I'm also recording this session. I'll try to put it in your course also so that you can see. Now, let me first give you some information which you guys should know. Maybe you already know, but let me just repeat it. So this is your, what you see on the screen is your certification course. So to access the certification course, when you log in to your account using the same ID, email ID and password that you created when you registered for the program, you go to the dashboard. And from dashboard, you can come to this program, Advanced Career Counselor Certification Program. Now in this program, you see there are multiple sections. There are total 7 sections here, starting from counseling framework approach to next steps. Now, some counselors have asked this question, and that is why I want to cover it. A lot of information is also there in the view notes area. So for every section, if you go to the last lecture, there's a view notes option given. So the downloadable material you have to download from the view notes section. If you go to the view notes section, you'll be able to see the notes for every section. So you can download it and read it at your own pace. That is the PDF of the course, the course material which is there in PDF. And also there's some extra information there. So you should download the course material for all the sections. Now, when you go to demo counseling session, in that there is no note, but this is more very important session, because demo counseling session will actually tell you how to do the counseling. When you understand the report and you understand the technology in the first 4 sections, but 5th section is more on the practical aspects of doing the counseling. Because when you do the counseling, it is very important to understand the student profile, student persona. And in the report, there are top 3 options, but don't just go by the top 3, but also look at this, the 2x2 matrix which is there in the report. For career recommendation as well as for stream recommendation up to class 10th. Stream recommendation is up to class 10th, and after that we have career recommendation. And then there's a complete report of around 85 pages. So in that report, you should also be looking at the 2x2 sections. Let me try to open a report for you so that I can show you. So I'll show you the report in some time, but let me first finish other things, and then I'll go to the report. So definitely go to, just to repeat, for every section at the last lecture, you will see this view notes option. Download your notes from that section. For demo counseling session, it is a very, very important session because it will give you the practical understanding of how to do the counseling. I will look at I'll explain the report, some sections of the report because we have limited time. Then there is a lecture on career counseling ice-breaking session. This is primarily for when you are talking to students or when you are talking to parents. How do you tell them that what is the importance of career counseling, why the career counseling is needed, and how it will help student. and practical aspects of that. So in that recording is there in the view notes section. There is a presentation, which presentation is career counseling ice breaking session for parents and students. So this you can download and you can use it for your own presentation. So this also you should download from the view notes section. Now the other thing which is in the next steps, this next step is also very important section, because not only it tells you all the steps, but also in the view notes section you will see a few things. One is the next step itself, the PDF. Then there's a social media campaign material. So if you want to run your campaigns on Facebook, on Instagram, on multiple social media platforms, entire campaign material is there in this. This is a PPT version. So when you open it, you will see all these campaign materials are there, which you can use for your campaigns. Then there is a brochure also. I'll show you all these things. This brochure is something that you can use it for giving to the digital copy of brochure is there. You can use it for giving to parents and students. So let me show you all these things. So this is the brochure that you see on the screen, which you can use for a general, idea of giving it to parents and students in terms of what is this career counseling and how it will help. So that information is, it's a kind of a marketing material that you can use for yourself, because it gives you a brief of the career counseling program that you can share with your parents. Yeah, the brochure is generic, so we have not deliberately we have not put any kind of logo here so that you can use it. If you want, we can also send you the PPT version of it or PowerPoint, so that if you want to put your own logo, that is fine with us. We can upload it in the course itself. Otherwise, right now it is in the generic way, so that you can directly send it, because we have not put any names, so that anybody can use it. So this brochure, and then I talked about the social media material. So that also let me show you. So this is a marketing support material that you can use. It has multiple campaigns that you can use for running on your social media. Running campaigns. So the social media digital marketing part is now already there in the program. The recording is now given in the program. So that is why I'm not doing that. Otherwise, it will be a repetition. But I'm trying to cover more practical aspects of it so that it is useful to you. So all these marketing materials already present in your course. You go to the view notes section in the next step, download from there, and then you can change the price and all that you can change. So this you can use for your marketing purpose. So this marketing material again is given there. The brochure is given, the social media campaign material is given. Showing that screen is paused. Let me share it again. Yeah, so let me just quickly show you the next steps. And then I'm not sure, because just showing the screen was paused. So I hope you guys saw that campaign material. Otherwise, I'll just show it again. So in terms of next step, you first complete the program certification. The digital setup webinar is now also included in the program. Then I'll show you the profile page, how to create your career counselor profile page in simple steps. We have also assigned 2 people who will be in touch with you from Bodhami side to help you out. I'll also give their numbers to you, so that you can also directly contact them for any kind of help that you need, or any kind of material that you need, or any other discussion that you want to have with them. So I'll share their numbers. But they will anyway be calling you to understand your overall progress and any kind of question that you have. So this listing on counselor page is very simple steps you yourself can do, and I'll show you how to do that. The social media marketing part, I already showed you the campaign material that you have to download from the next steps section of your course in the view notes section, and then you can start counseling. Now let me also, because the page was I believe it has paused. Yeah. So let me just quickly show you the social media material first. So this was the social media material that you can download from your page, from your course, from the next step section. And then you can use it for running the campaigns on your social media pages. How to create the social media page is already covered in your course in the digital branding section. Okay, clear? I hope it is clear to you. Now let me show you how you can create your own profile page. So if you go to Bodhami, let me show you that profile page, and then I'll explain to you. Yeah. So how you can create your personal branding. Let me very quickly cover that. Setting up your own counselor web page and link on Bodhami platform. So you can create your own counselor web page, and that web page you can use for that anyway will come on Bodhami's website also. But apart from that, you can also use it for sharing it to different people as a kind of a complete web page. So how to set it up? I'll show you. No profile, a new profile details page. You have to log into your account that you already know how to log in. Just go to the Bodhami site and use the email ID and password that you had used and log into the account. Now you go to the profile page. You can see profile here. I will upload this video and also this material. I'll send it to all of you so that you can see it. So when you log in, you see your profile page here on the left hand side. Left pane, you see your profile page. You click on that, and then you have to enter all your details like your name, your date of birth, and all other details which are needed. And then a few more information like your skill info, your education, your certifications, and other information which are needed there. You can also set up your pricing. For example, if you want to offer multiple types of counseling, starting from career report with one counseling, career report with full counseling. You can also define your pricing yourself, that I'll charge 2,000 for career report with full counseling, 1,500 for career report with one counseling, 1,000 rupees for only career report, and you can update it. And then you can put your social profiles also here. So whatever social media pages that you have created for your business, you can just put the social media profiles also in this page. So I'll reiterate the steps. You have to first log into your career counselor profile. You already know how to log in because you are going through the course. If you're not going through the course, then please do that because it is very important. You go, when you log in, on the left hand side, go to the profile, click on the profile, and then after that it will be self-explanatory. You just have to fill the information, click on it and fill the information and provide your skill info, your education info, your certification, your the fee that you will charge for different kind of counseling sessions, including one counseling, full mentoring, and all those kind of programs. These details are present in that career counseling digital setup that course. In the course, you have this video recording is already there, so you'll understand how to do the pricing for your services. And after that, you just put your social profile there, the social media pages link you have to put, and then you just update it, and then you are ready to go. Now you can share your link on social sites and WhatsApp also. How will it look? If you just go to your social when you log in, towards the bottom you will see social. So you just click on that, and then directly from here you can share to Facebook. Directly from here you can share to LinkedIn, Twitter, and this Bodhami's website also it is there. You can also copy the link from here of your web page and you can share it in the WhatsApp also. Okay, now let me show you how to see your profile. Once you have set it up, you can share it on your Facebook, on all social pages. Let me show you how to see your profile. So on the Bodhami's website, there's a Find Counselors link. If you are using a mobile, then you click on this hamburger menu. On the extreme right hand side, you see this hamburger menu. There are three lines which are there. You click on that, then you see Find Expert Counselor page. You click on that and you go to Find Expert Counselor page, and you'll see the names of the counselors there. So there you can search with the state or the city. Using the filter, you can search with the state or the city, and there you can click on this view profile. So when you click on the view profile, it will open your web page. The single web page which is now created for you, it will open. It will also have your photograph. If you put your photograph in your profile page, when you go there, and here, if you put your photograph here, and then you see this plus sign, right? This circle and the plus sign. You just have to upload your photograph. If you have uploaded your photograph, then that will also be visible on the web page. Now, if you click on the view profile, your profile page will open, and the complete detail for you, including your profile, education, certification, specializations, services, all these things will start showing there. So this becomes your complete web page for you, personalized web page that you can use. You don't even have to build a website. You can directly use this web page as your unique web page, and then use it for giving it to people and promoting your services. So I hope it is clear to everyone. If you have any question, you can ask me. Now, customers can also, when you share this, yeah, Shilpa ma'am, you can write your query in the chat. I'll be able to answer. Please write it in the chat. So when you share this web page link to people, for example, when you are sharing it to your social media pages, or when you're sharing it on WhatsApp, then the customers will also be able to click here and they send their query. So they can send messages to you. So for example, if they have some questions, they can directly send their questions to you and it will come in your email. Okay. Now there is one question. So let me take that question. How do our students share their reviews? Yes, a very good question. In fact, here there is a review option here. You just see here, write review. So on your web page, the students will be able to send you message, and they will also be able to do a review for you. Okay, and if whatever review that they give, that will start showing an average of all the reviews of all the students, that will show here. Now we just read it. Customer can click on send message and book now button, and they will be presented with an inquiry form. The inquiry will be directly come to the counselor as an email with the name, phone number, and email address of the customer. So on this web page, this book now option is also there. Apart from send message, if they click on book now or send message, then their email, phone number, and name will be recorded, and it will come to you in the email. So like this, you can start promoting your counselor profile about your brand completely for free, that you have registered for this program using this web page, which is a completely customized web page for you, with having complete details about you. I hope everybody is clear about this. So we have covered what all we have covered. We have covered the next steps. We have covered this profile page. We have covered the social media branding aspect, that how you can download your PPT, PowerPoint. In that you'll get all the campaign materials that you can download from the next steps button. I will again show you that. Just to reiterate. Yeah. So this is your course page, right? In this course page, there are multiple sections and lectures. At the end of every section, in the last lecture, you see the view notes option. You should download all the notes and you can read it. This is the readable material. Then you go to the demo counseling session. It talks about the practical aspects of counseling and how the counseling has to be actually conducted and what are the things that you need to see in the counseling. Then you go to the career counseling ice breaking session. You go through the recording and then you go to the view notes and download the ice breaking presentation that you can use for presenting to your customers, your parents or students. In the next steps, when you click on view notes, you will see three things. You will see the social media campaign material that you can download and you can start using it for your campaigns on your all the social media pages. There is a career guidance counseling brochure, which is a generic brochure that you can download and you can also use it as a brochure and send it to parents and students. Then there is a webinar recording which has also in the notes section the complete ebook on digital setup webinar, which talks about your how to set up your Facebook pages, other social media pages, how to create your logo, how to create your brand. All these things are covered in this webinar. Certificate you'll be able to download after you complete the assessment. You'll see the certificate link enabled. Automatically it will get enabled and you can download from here. You need to get 70% or more, but you can take multiple attempts of the exam, so that is not a problem. You can take as many attempts as you want. Now let me take one question which has come. Will you be sharing this recording? Yes. This recording is happening. So what I'll do is that within a few days, today is Saturday, so maybe by Monday or Tuesday it will start reflecting in the course. Okay. One more thing I wanted to cover is on the report part, but report I will not go in detail because report anyway is covered in your program. What I just wanted to show you is in the report, I just want to cover one thing because this is a very common confusion that people have. Other things are covered in the course. Apart from the top recommendations, you should also look at this career selection plot because this is very, very important plot for any customer. Apart from looking at the overall persona and interest of that you get while we are talking to the student, you also look at this career selection plot. Many times what happens is, so it has a plot which has skill on the y-axis and interest on the x-axis. I have seen cases where sometimes students have very high interest in a subject, but skill-wise they are not doing so well. Sometimes what happens is that their skill is very good, but their interest is very low. So for example, if a student scores very high in, say for example, mathematics or problem solving, but the student is not much interested in taking a stream or career related to mathematics, then it will not come in this plot. So it is designed in such a way that only those things which are scoring high in both interest and skill will come, and then you look at the things which are towards the top of this blue quadrant. For those students who are like very good, for example, sometimes the students will be all-rounder and they'll be really good. More subjects will come towards the top, but in general, less subjects will be there. So best would be the subjects which are there on the top, but anything which is coming under this and having, more than say 75 score in both, they are, good options. When you're looking at that, you also have to understand the student interest, inclination, the parents' inclination, so that you can make a sense out of what is being shown here. Printing notes first and going through it before viewing session will be more. I don't think so. I mean, see, the sessions are recorded for you, so you can look at the sessions any number of times, and so you parallelly look at the notes either before or after the session. If you look at it after the session, you will possibly be able to make more sense because whatever is covered in the program, that you'll be able to relate to that. So definitely both the ways it will work, but to make it easier, try to do it after looking at the video. So Ms. Chilpa is asking, if a school asks us about measure of deviation or such measures, how do we answer that? So I think you're asking about the efficacy of the report, right? If I'm getting it right, then in terms of efficacy of report, we have a presentation which tells you how the efficacy of the report is measured. So currently we are at 84%, and every time a counseling is done, it is recorded on the platform by the counselor in terms of the after the counseling session, what choices that the student wants to go for, that you can record as a counselor, and what the system is recommending, a comparison is done, and then efficacy is generated. So from that we are at 84%, and we also have a presentation for that. So that we will upload that also in this course, so that you can download it directly from the next step. So just give us 2-3 days, and that we will upload. So you can download and you can use it for your presentation. In fact, I believe it should already be there in the uh, ice-breaking presentation, but let me check that. Okay. Ms. Manjari is asking, I'll be able to enter one email ID for multiple students. You can. So ideally, what happens is that the email IDs should be different, but there is a way in which you can use one email ID for multiple students. So what I'll do is that I will individually talk to you on that rather than sharing that in this group. So I'll tell you how to do that. So Miss Saida is asking why we have to buy licenses. Okay, very good question. You have to buy licenses because so once you do the course, when you are doing the counseling, it is a commercially viable option to charge for your counseling sessions and also charge for the report that is being generated. Because to generate the report, there's a lot of work that is gone. There's a huge team which is working on improving the report, customizing the report, making it aligned to the new policies of the government. There's a huge technology team which is working on developing the AI algorithms, and there's a lot of investment and expenditure which goes into making these reports. And it's a continuous investment and expenditure for the team which is working on that. So they also need to get their salary. So and these reports are not priced much, ma'am. The price are very reasonable. And we always, our concern is that whenever somebody is approaching the rural areas and the smaller places, and they want us to, they talk to us and they say that this time we are going to NGO, we are going to rural areas, and we can't charge that much. So we give options for that also. You just have to tell us. But when you're doing it commercially, in most of the cases, when counselors are doing it in the bigger cities, in places like Mumbai and Delhi and other places, they are charging good amount for their counseling. So those counselors are absolutely fine with the report charges. Okay. Ms. Padmavati is asking, can you please explain spider web score once? Okay. And also the percentile score interpretation. Fine. Spider web, let me show you the spider web. Can you see this report right now on the screen? Let me go to the spider web. Yeah. So this is the spider web that you see. So what basically it does is that the blue color spider is the student score, and the red color spider is the average score at that level. For example, the student is in class 10th, or student is class 11th, or at the professional level. At that level, what is the mean score that is depicted by this red colored spider, and the blue colored spider depicts the student score in 14 different skill areas. So you get to compare the student's performance in different skill areas vis-a-vis how the mean or average of the student performance in these 14 different skill areas, and from there you find out in which all areas the student has done well, and the student is more what are the student's strength areas and what are the student's weakness areas. So from that spider you can find out. Percentile score is very simple. Percentile only means how many students have So for example, if I'm at 90th percentile, it means I have done better than 89 students at my level. Now, it does not mean the better does not have much significance, but it just tells us, gives us an idea of how the student's performance has been vis-a-vis the other student at that level. If my percentile is at 99, it means that only one student has done better than me. 98, I have done better than 98 students. Is there plan to update entrance exam detail and expand their college line? Yes, definitely, Shilpa ma'am. That is going to be live very soon in next 1 week time. Hopefully, 1 week or 2 weeks maximum. Within 2 weeks, that is going to go live, where we are going to provide you a career tool, and that is something also we wanted to. I want to tell you, because that career tool option will come. When that comes, we will set up a separate webinar for all of you to guide you on using the career tools. In that career tools, you will be able to select your colleges, search for colleges. If a student, for example, wants colleges to be seen in a particular state or country wise, all those options will be there with the given stream options, country wise, state wise, top colleges. All those options will come in that career tool. So that is going to be live in another 2 weeks time. You guys will get access to that career tool. You can run that, and you can also include those in your report. For example, if a student is saying that I am interested in my colleges which are in my state, then you'll be able to select that state, and that only that information will come in the report. So that is coming. Okay, Manjari ma'am is asking, do you recommend any website that offers a one-stop info for entrance exams, college information? It is going to come, ma'am. Manjari ma'am, just wait for 2 weeks. It will come on. It is the career tools, which is one of the most advanced tools, is going to come. You will be able to use it. So just wait for 2 weeks. Please share the customer service number. Yes, good question. Let me share that number. In fact, we have sent SMSs to all of you that this is our customer share number, but I'll again share. These are the two numbers. You can get in touch with them. Don't call them on Sunday. They don't work on Sunday. You can get in touch with them on other days. Okay. Yeah. Ms. Manjari ma'am is asking, for a 9th or 10th student, is it a good idea to have small interaction session with the parents and teachers? Ideally, what happens, and again, there are pros and cons of doing this. What sometimes happens is that, and we have seen that, is that sometimes parents have their own views in terms of what their children should be doing, and they have very strong views. Many times those views are not exactly aligned to students' profile or the skill profile or the interest profile, but the parents want the children to do certain things in life. Sometimes what happens is that when you do your discussion with parents, then they try to see that your counseling should go in that direction. So that is where you have to do it with a little bit careful with that. In terms of first understanding the student profile, first understanding the report, and interacting with the student, and then if you want to have a word with the parents for some time, and explain to them why certain things are good for a student, and what the student wants to do, what the profile is all about, what the tool is recommending, how we should go about it, then that is, in that way, it is a good option. But don't just take parents or teachers' view in terms of sometimes they have their strong views, which in some cases may not be clearly aligned with what the student should do. So yes. Okay, Ms. Padmavati is asking, what is the advantage of taking Bodhami career assessment compared to other career assessment in the market? How can we convince our clients? Yeah, so ma'am, Padmavati ma'am, for that reason, we have created this career counseling ice breaking this presentation. Okay, so if you go through that presentation, then in that we have told you how Bodhami's career assessment is different from the career assessment which are there in the market. You can download that from your next step, from your career counseling ice breaking session. There's a video and then there's a presentation on that. But let me again explain it to you. First of all, Bodhami is, in terms of technology, it uses the most advanced technology today. Most of the aptitude test, what they do is that they have a set of rules defined in terms of they capture the aptitude of the student, and then based on that they recommend careers that for this kind of attitude this career bit is good, for a little bit different aptitude this career is good, and like that they give you matching percentage. What Bodhami does is completely different. Our approach is that we first gather data from the actual industry or career professional. So if an architect, if there's an architect or there's a lawyer, an IT professional or an engineer or a scientist and so on, who are doing well in their job, who are happy with what they're doing. Because it is very important to understand that 70% of professionals are not happy with what they're doing. So once we have the data of that, from there we develop the algorithm and we do a profiling of all the professionals with the skill wise, that what kind of professionals will have what kind of average skill profile. And when the student gives the test, we use this artificial intelligence algorithm to compare student performance vis-a-vis this algorithm and this overall skill profile that we have already developed for different skill professions. And then we find out the nearest match. Then we say that for this student, the nearest match at 90% is for an IT professional, and the next best match is at 85% for say an architect. I'm just giving an example, and so on. So basically the data that we have, and we use a huge amount of data to come up with these recommendations and results. So what it does is that it uses the actual career professionals as a base, and based on that it recommends. And then once it recommends, it does not only stop at recommending, it also finds out the skill gaps. Now it says that now for you, these careers are good at top, but these are the skill gaps that you have currently, which you need to fulfill. And it also tells you how to fulfill the skill gaps, the entire mechanism to fulfill the skill gaps, and then also the learning courses which can help student to fulfill the skill gaps are given. So it is a complete package which goes for the student, and it is like a complete end-to-end, starting from assessment till the final courses which help the student to align to the right careers and fulfill the skill gaps. Till that point it provides a complete coverage. So this is how it is different in terms of technology, in terms of the efficacy of the result, which is at 86%, 84% right now. And because it is a machine learning algorithm, it will keep improving. And in terms of the approach that we have, and as I said, we have been rewarded the best career counseling platform by the National Startup Awards because of the approach that we have is completely different, and the technology that we are using is very advanced, and also because the impact that we are creating in the market. And our approach is that every student should benefit out of it. Even the last mile student in the last corner of India, coming from the poorest of the background, they should all benefit. So we are very, very flexible in terms of pricing and everything. Anytime that you believe that you are going to approach an NGO, you are going to approach a rural area with people with lesser capacity, then we can always help you out with that. So we are our primary thing is that it should ultimately students should benefit. This is the guidance charge. Let me have some water and then I'll answer. Ms. Chitra is asking, is the guidance chargeable? Yes, when you do the career guidance, you have to charge for the guidance, definitely, to the students. The students are ready to pay for that. If you go to our uh, in your course, if you go to the digital marketing and social media marketing, that there's a chapter on that. I think this is section 7 or 6. In that, there is a complete course on that, which tells you how to price your packages, what kind of package pricing is there, starting from career guidance report to one counseling session to multiple counseling mentoring sessions, what kind of charges you can charge. All that is covered. Usually, on an average, for one counseling session along with the report, in India, counselors would charge anywhere starting from 2,500 to 3,500, depending on the city, also depending on what kind of student is approaching you. When they are doing it in the schools, they are charging a little bit less because they are doing it in bulk. So in schools, they can charge around, say, for example, 1,500 or even a little bit less than that. But they have bulk students in schools. When you are doing mentorship programs, multiple sessions are there, then you charge more, because for you do 3 counseling sessions, in that the charges would be more, around close to 5,500. In bigger cities, these rates that I have told you are very reasonable, because students, because the report is very exhaustive. Report itself is around 85 pages. Any student is parents are okay to pay that much. Will you provide printed assessment? No, printed assessment we don't have, because as I said earlier, it is a technology platform and we're using a lot of AI driven rules. So all those rules can only work when we have it on the platform. The test is taken online. The printed assessment, you cannot use all those algorithm technology. So this is entirely online, but the good thing is that you can use it on any of the device. You can use it on the mobile phone, you can use it on a tablet, you can use it on an iPad or a computer or a laptop. Any device it is compatible to. It is a completely responsive web design which is compatible to all these devices. Yes, so for all of you, one license will be added for free. If it is not added, then you can talk to these two numbers that I have given you. They will be adding your free license that you can use it for yourself or somebody in your family, or you can even use it for commercial purpose for doing the counseling, whatever you are okay with. But you can definitely, just to understand and interpret the report and do it the first hand for yourself, you can do that. Yeah, mentorship program, Ms. Chitra, is where you actually do the counseling for 3 sessions for students. So usually the counseling is done for 1 session. In that you look at the report, you understand the student profile, and then you do the counseling on the basis of that. And that is covered in the demo counseling video that is there in your program. However, if sometimes the counselors say that I will do 3 counseling sessions for you. The first is that where I will understand your report and your profile. Second is that where I'll tell you what are the steps in which you can improve yourself uh, based on the report itself, and also bringing in on the counseling framework, your own experience. In the second, you basically give the details of all the steps in which the student can improve. And in the third session is most like a review session, where it's mostly done after, say, around 3 months time, where you actually see the student and find out how the student has worked on these areas, the improvement area that you suggested, and then you further suggest the delta, whatever is the gap at that point of time, you suggest that. So that is more like a mentoring program. I want to practice 2-3 times before applying to students. For that also I have to pay for license. So in this, we have one license which is added for free that you can practice. So this is how it is. The one license is given to you. You can use it for practicing, understanding how it goes, and be very sure that this is based on a very sophisticated algorithm. So instead of taking practicing 2-3 times, you go through the course, you look at the materials, you do it once, and then you can start doing it commercially. You don't have to do it so many number of times actually before applying to a student. It is all tested and all verified. There are close to right now around 500 counselors who are using it. Ms. Manjari is asking if a customer is not well versed with English. Yeah, so our test, the test, aptitude test, the psychometric test that we have is in 4 different languages: in English, in Hindi, in Kannada, and Marathi, 4 languages. We are planning to get it in more languages, in South Indian languages, also in a few more languages in a few months' time. But right now, the student can take the test in 4 languages based on their choice. Are the psychometric tests be bearing our logo and name, or it will be a Bodhami's logo? Okay. So when you create your profile page and you upload your logo, then on the landing page, your logo will start reflecting, your brand will start reflecting. But we provide the co-branding for free, which means on the psychometric test and on the report, it will be co-branded along with Bodhami. However, we also have the white labeling options. In the white labeling options, if somebody is considered interested, they can completely white label the platform as their own brand. That is just a wrapper. That means just the UI layer, the interface front end layer, the user interface will be branded as your brand. The Bodhami name and logo will not come anywhere. Then it will become a white label platform. But those options are chargeable. So if you are interested in that, then you can talk to our the numbers that I have given you. In those 2 people, you can talk to them, and they will be able to guide you with the white labeling options. I'll again send their number to offer everybody's help. Okay. So any other questions? I'll again, we have around 7 minutes now. So I'll try to reiterate everything that I have covered in today's program. First of all, from your course, when you log into your counselor profile, you can go to your counselor course, the Career Counselor Certification Program course. From that, at the end of every section, you can download your notes. You have to download your notes and you can go through them. You can either print it or you can just keep it on your mobile device and you can go through them whenever you want. So that is the offline way of looking at the content. Then we have also uploaded the social media material, campaign material that you can download and you can use it for social media campaigns. We have also shared in today's session how to create your counselor web page, counselor profile page. Once you create your counselor profile page, it becomes your complete web page that you can use it to share to your students or parents using your social media pages or using WhatsApp. When they click on it, they can see your complete profile. They can also send you a message. When they click on the send message, you will get an email. If they click on book now, you will get their complete information, including phone number and email. You can also describe your pricing in terms of what kind of pricing you are charging for 1 session, 2 session, all those things in your web page. Your profile will be listed on Bodhami's Find Expert Counselor page. From there also your web page will be visible. Then there is an ice-breaking session and the material and presentation for that is also uploaded in your course. You can download that and use it for presenting to customers, your students and parents, which also talks about why counseling is needed and how does the platform help you in terms of the efficacy of the platform, how the platform accuracy of the platform, all those things will be there. Then you go to the demo counseling session because that is very important for you to start the counseling. Now let me take the other questions. Internship, okay. There's a good idea. Let me work on that, Ms. Padmavati ma'am. What are the 4 languages available to take up the test and how to access in Bodhami Learning? Yes. So Ms. Chitra, the 4 languages are currently are English, Hindi, Marathi and Kannada. And when you go through the course, you will understand how to add a student. In the manage a student, you can add a student and they get an email to take the test. When they click on the link and they have to take the test. Then they get this option of selecting the language. So they get to select the language of choice. In that, they can give the test. Okay. I go with Ms. Padmavati, really looking some help on internship. Okay, surely we'll try to work on that. Yes, you'll continue to have your access, because this is your counselor platform. You know, this access is your complete career counselor access. From there only you will add a student. From there only you will assign test. From there only you will see your course. So this access will remain there with you. Any roadmap for regional languages for Tamil, Telugu? Very good question, Chitra ma'am. That is something which is in pipeline, but we are trying to do things which are, more, which will help and impact everybody. So, for example, this career tool that we have developed, which you will see that will go live in another 2 weeks' time. The career tool will be for searching for the colleges state-wise, nation-wise, and internationally. And you can use those courses and those colleges in the report itself. So that is something that we are coming up with the first. Then after that, this regional language will also come. That is in the pipeline for us. In fact, we are also going to come up with a different certification program on international admissions career counseling. That program will also go live in within a week's time. Maybe by Monday or Tuesday, it will go live. That is more focused on international admissions career counseling. So that is just a heads up I wanted to give. That is also a very detailed and exhaustive program that is more focused on international career counseling. Can we conduct seminars to brief student about? Yes, definitely. That is why we have shared all these materials with you. All these material which is there, including the ice breaking session, and a few more materials we'll upload there, including the future skills for a student, something like that. So you can use that for conducting your webinars. All this is covered in your digital marketing session that is there in your course. Ms. Padmavati, thank you, ma'am. Very organized. We really thankful to your excellent feedback, and we are there to help you. In fact, what we have seen is that many a times we have added free licenses to counselors, but they have not used it. I'm not sure. Some counselors have not even completed the course, and some counselors have completed it, but they have not used the free license. So you should use the free license either in your family or commercially or for yourself, whatever way you want it, after completing the course, not before you complete it, because then you'll be able to appreciate what is coming out as a report. And definitely use that. If you don't have that, if you see that it is not added in your profile, then talk to these two people. They are our relationship managers. They'll be able to help you to add your pre-report, and you'll be able to use them. So definitely all these things, and we are always there to help you in terms of how you have to take it forward. And at any step that you need any help, our team is there to help you. I will, in fact, read out the numbers, because this will be recorded, and I'll read out the numbers for these two people. The first one is Desmond Pereira, and his number is 8421034493. And the second is Miss Sana. Her number is 8431571855. So these two numbers for our relationship managers, they will be able to help you. Thank you, Chitra ma'am, and definitely we are looking forward to a long association and working and helping all of you. Some of you are already experienced counselors, some of you are new in this field, but there's a lot of scope here. There's a lot of impact that you can create as a counselor in people's life, in students' life. And definitely looking forward that all of you use this course that you have gone through, and so much time that you have spent on this. Definitely you should be able to use an impact, make an impact in people's life. That is the expectation that we have. And I thank you all. And after this, you can also send us these two numbers I have shared you. And you can also send your queries to customer.support@bodhami.com. There also we will be able to help you for any kind of help or guidance that you need. So you note down this also, customer.support@pozami.com, and internship, yes ma'am, we will update you on that. Thank you everybody. Thanks for your time. Really nice. My pleasure and my privilege to be talking to you all. We're looking forward to a long-term association. Thank you.